lesson 4 on the graphing part. So let's use this one as an example. You will. They're all up there.
They need to put like batting cages or something in there.
Hey, you want to give me a ruler?
Yeah, maybe one should.
Get me a wooden one.
-2. Okay. I'm going to leave this right here and I'm going to pause so you can get it wrote down and get your stuff going, okay? Just like with the slope intercept form, right? We started off with a point and then we graphed our slope, correct? So we need to find out what that actual point is here. Do you remember the point slope format? Okay. What is the actual point in this equation?
No, the one. No.
The x1 and the y1,
Yeah,
right? The x1 and y1. So what is x1 here in this one? 2.
Negative.
No,
No, it's
just a 2. We are just, since it's x minus x1, x minus 2 is our x1. So next, y minus 1, this is just my y. Okay? So what's the slope then? Rise 2, run how many?
Oh, 3.
So my n is 2/3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to graph this point. So over 2, up 1. So there's that point. Over 2, up 1. Because x is 2, y is 1. And now, Maggie said the slope of rise 2, run 3. So, from the point I made, rise 2, run 3. Rise 2, oops. Rise 2. Ah, I'm freezing in here. Write an equation in point slope form. They're going to give you this. Down. Okay. This is actually on your homework. This is number 20 in your book. So to write the point slope form, you first have to know the point slope form, right? That one's not bad because we should know the form by now. Y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1. If you do not know these, I will not give them to you for the test. You will have to memorize them. Okay? Because on the EOC, you will have to memorize it. Alright? So, I'm given 2 points. So, I know I've got a point, right? But what do I need now? What am I missing? If I had the point, you need slope. You need slope. So, do you remember this little thing? Yes. Remember I told you that was really important? You've been using it all the time? Okay. So we have to use this in order to get slope. So, yes. Was that a question? Stretch. Okay. So this is step 1. Step 1 is find slope. Okay? So let's plug things in. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Oops, about messed that up. Okay. So, get -6 minus 4 over -3 minus 2. It's -10 over -5. What is -10 over -5?
10 over 5?
No, well, 10 over 5, okay, yeah.
Okay, it's 2 over, 2.
2. You could say 2 over 1 or 2. Preferably, we use just that, okay? If you write 2 over 1 in your equation, that's fine too, okay? So what was this? What letter?
This is
This is M. So here's the silly thing about point slope form, okay? You have to pick a point. There isn't a right point. There isn't a correct one, okay? Maggie could pick this one, and Grace could pick this one.
probably would because it's evens. And
That's the ones I like. But it doesn't matter, okay? Let's look at both answers, just to kind of show you, okay? So when we have this one, I'm going to use this one first, okay? I'm going to plug that one in. So when I plug it in, x1 goes over here, y1 goes right here. So y minus 4, use that slope I found of 2, x minus 2, and that's it. If I use this point, I get y minus negative 6 equals 2x minus negative 3. Now on this one, I do want you to simplify it to make it say plus positive, okay? So y plus 6 equals 2, x plus 3. It makes you look smarter, and that's how it will be on your multiple choice, okay?
wait, so that's it.
It could be either one.
I'm not gonna do anything else.
No. So Maggie could have this one, Cameron could have this one, and they would both be correct, okay? You do not have to do both. I do not want you to do both. It's not the point. The point is you pick the one that's easiest for you, okay? Sound good? Yes? Okay. I'll pause real fast.
No,